Oh, merde. There's a dog barking on the damn. What did you do that for? That's Jingle Bells. So that's not a doggy. Oh, we're at Wrexham St Giles brass band, but they went and had a dog bark. Wake him up. Oh dear, it's too loud for his noise. His ears, rather. What's that? Ah, nativity trail. Oh, of course, you know. Can't read without my reading glasses, of course. Is it? We've been there. Thomas Telford. That's the brass band in St Giles. We're outside because it was too much for his ears. Oh, well, dogs' ears are a lot more sensitive. Ah! My favourite Silent Night was over by the time I turned the thing on. Well, so careful of COVID, animal consumption viruses everywhere. We'll have more of them. Of course, we've got all the poor chickens being killed. It would have helped if they'd put a notice up about this concert on their notice board. Got everything but that. Oh, I have to do them an email. Oh yes, my emails are famous. Well, never mind about elsewhere, mate. How about putting notices about what's going on in Wrexham? Because I wouldn't have known about this concert if I hadn't been wandering around at the tapas bar, the Spanish vegan tapas place just outside this, because the Café de Gal was shut. So I went across the road to the tapas bar. Yes, had a vegan thing there. And of course my mobile phone battery had to be charged there because it's so cold. Yoo-hoo! We had good position. The church is full to the right in the centre, but not to the back left, which is where we were. It's not even in Welsh, that sign. Oh la la. Yeah, well, you don't want to come in with all this racket. Oh. Oh la la. What if I just leave it hanging there? No one's going to see it there. For Christmas is you, that